Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I am Miss Nainun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Bonarinagar Pilot Girls High School, Faridpur, Pabna. Hello student, how are you? Hope you are now safe and secure. Welcome to our program online class. Our today lesson is voice sense. Presented by me. So let's start our topics voice sense. Voice sense. What is voice? What is voice? Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done do it. All of you know voice. There are two types of voice. There are two types of voice. Active voice, passive voice. Passive voice. Active voice. When the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active voice. It is so because the subject is active. Passive voice. When the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive. Today we will learn how to change from active to passive and also passive to active. So I write some sentence. Look at the board. Active voice. She writes a letter. This is an assertive sentence. I will turn into passive. Look at the board. Here I turn the active voice to passive voice. The first passive, a letter is written by her. Object is the first sentence. A letter become subject of this sentence. Then I write be verb is present participle form of verb written plus by plus objective form of subject. It is a structure subject plus be verb plus present participle of form of verb plus by plus objective form of subject. How we turn active to passive? This is the rule. So we see that the object form as the first of the subject. A letter become subject of this sentence and then is be verb. Is be verb because it is present indefinite tense. Use be verb is and then past participle from written plus by plus objective form of subject her. So look at again. I write another sentence. Active She is writing a letter. This is the present continuous tense. How can I turn into passive? So look at the structure. Passive, a letter is being written by her. Look at the structure. Subject plus be verb plus use being because present continuous tense, and then past participle of form plus by plus objective form of subject. Again, I write the present perfect form of assertive sentence. She has written a letter. This is as simple sentence, and then we go to the present perfect tense. This is say a letter has been written by her. It is structure subject plus have been be verb plus written past participle of form verb plus by plus objective form of subject her. This is present perfect tense. It is structure a letter subject be verb had been be verb written past participle of verb plus preposition by plus objective form of subject her. Okay student, you are understand? Student, look at this sentence. First sentence is present indefinite tense. A letter is written by her. This is present indefinite tense. And another sentence is present continuous tense. A letter is being written by her. Is being, use being because present continuous tense. So when it is continuous form because use being. A letter is being written by her. And perfect form, when I turn into passive, a letter has been written by her. It is present perfect tense. Then I use a letter has been written by her. These rules you can change past form of sentence. Past form, she wrote. She wrote a letter. It is past indefinite tense. A letter was written by her. A letter was written by her. It is a structure. A letter, subject was be verb, written past participle of verb by plus preposition plus objective form of subject her. Her. I only sent a letter was because was is the past form. A letter was written by her. And then we see the continuous form, past continuous. She was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. It is a structure. A letter, subject was being, be verb, written past participle of verb, preposition by plus objective form of subject her. Written past participle of verb, preposition plus by plus objective form of subject her. When I sense passive into was, I only sense was being. It is past continuous tense. And then the perfect form, had. She had written a letter. Passive voice, a letter had been. A letter had been written by her. This is past perfect tense. When I turn into passive, we only sense a letter had been. So it is easy. Now it changes into future tense. She will write a letter. It is future indefinite tense. When I turn into the passive, I use will be. I use will be verb plus past participle of form plus preposition by plus her. Then I will go to turn future continuous tense. She will be. She will be. She will be writing a letter. I turn into passive. A letter will be being. A letter will be being. I sense only will be. It is future continuous tense. And future perfect tense, she will have. She will have. Will have. She will have written a letter. It is future perfect tense. I turn into passive. A letter will have been. Will have been written by her. It is a structure. A letter, subject will have been be verb plus past participle of verb written plus preposition plus objective form of subject her. I only sense will have been. So it is clear to you. I only the sense verb. Today I discussed assertive form of changing of voice. So I give some example as homework. I hope if you practice it, it is easy to you to change from active to passive. So write down on your homework. Homework. Write down on your hand note. Number 1, you buy a pen. Passive. Number 2, we played football. Football. Number 3, they are drawing pictures. Number 4, I was eating rice. Number 5, he has broken the pot. Homework. Number 1, you buy a pen. Number 2, we played football. Number 3, they are drawing pictures. Number 4, I was eating rice. Number 5, he has broken the pot. Okay student, I will do your homework and show it to your teacher after opening of your school. Okay student. Everyone thanks. All the best. Stay home, stay safe.